Welcome to Columbia Road Flower Market here in Bethnal Green, London. The flower market is only open on Sundays. The flower market began as a Saturday trading market, but as the Jewish population grew, a Sunday market was established. This gave an opportunity for traders in Covent Garden and Spitalfields to sell any leftover stock from Saturday's trading. Since the 1980s, the market has grown into one with an international reputation.
All we got left, a fiver. 10 of the best ones.
A fiver here, a tenner here, come on.
Andiamo a vedere i pochi a 5.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I go.
The Birdcage is a bar and former Victorian public house established by 1760 and has a close association with the market, operating as an early pub, serving traders and customers on Sunday mornings. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
All right, don't worry, don't worry.
Yeah, catch your car where you like it.
Can you see? Can you see? £5 cash, any bag? £5 cash, any bag?
That's where vegan cheese comes from.
Molly, wait on. You pay it. Lovely, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, alright? £30.
The Royal Oak is a Grade 2 listed pub built in 1923 for Truman's Brewery. The pub has appeared in the TV series Goodnight Sweetheart, the 1998 film Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels, and the 2015 film Legend.
Da kannst du es auf einmal zum Stelle.
I hope you enjoyed this short visit. Please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.